Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll review Cello Venice plastic water bottle set which I purchased from Amazon. There's nothing much to review about a water bottle, especially a refrigerated bottle like this, so I'm gonna make this video as quick as possible. So welcome to Smart Bengali, let's get started. So here's our box, standard cardboard box. The packaging is quite good. I've been shopping with Amazon since 2012 and I must say I didn't face any major issues with them except one or two occasions. In fact, this product was delivered within a day. So let's open this box. I think I need to cut this wrap here. Here's my tiny scissor. Let me cut there. Okay, this is our bottle set. You can see the price written over here is 312, but I got this product at 249. Some offer was going on at the time. Let's open this package. I need to remove the sticker. Come on. Okay, there's a far better way to open it. Seems that I was doing it wrong. I always do that. Sorry about it. Here's our first bottle. I know this may sound crazy, but I'm quite fascinated about colors. So this is teal color. A quick fun trivia about teal color. The hex code of this color is #008080. Okay. The next one is pink. I hate this color. Let me put it over here. That's the color I like, black. So here's our entire bottle set. Let me check the quality. It's made from hard plastic, not flimsy at all. Oh, it's PET1. I expected it to be PET2. Anyway, those who are not quite aware of these PET ratings, you can check this reference over here. So 2, 4 and 5 are safer choices. 1 is doable but steer clear from 3 and 6. So let me check this cap. Seems that they have added a rubber washer inside this cap to prevent the water leakage. Nice touch. Once again, the plastic quality is quite sturdy. You cannot damage it by moderate pressure. In the specification page they wrote it's BPA free, but who knows, I have no way to verify this. To check this I need to take it to a lab, which is quite impractical and funny. Sorry about that. If you wonder what is BPA, I know this is beyond the scope of this video, but still I'm gonna tell it anyway. BPA stands for bisphenol A, which is mainly used to make polycarbonate plastics, and this is quite harmful for our body. Especially it can cause brain damage to newborn babies. Although there are a lot of controversies involved in this matter, but it's best to limit our BPA exposure to the minimum. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos. See you in my next video. Thank you.